In this video, we will go over the steps to perform cleaning on this HoMedics humidifier and to reset the clean warning sign. Before starting the cleaning process, turn power off and unplug unit from the outlet. The first step is to remove the water tank from the humidifier base. Next, pour out any remaining water from the water reservoir in the direction as shown inside the humidifier. To perform the cleaning, we need some cotton swab and couple of teaspoons of 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water. The cleaning steps are in fact printed on this transducer cover. Next, remove the transducer cover. This black disc-like part is the transducer or ultrasonic membrane. All we have to do is clean this surface. Soak the tip of the cotton swab with the 50-50 water and white vinegar mix and gently clean it. Normally, it's only a small white film that may have built up on this surface. Wipe off with a damp cotton swab. The manual instructs to never touch the transducer membrane with your fingers. The natural oil in the skin can damage the surface. Replace the transducer cover and snap it in place. We have to clean one more area. Clean the float hinge with the same 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water to remove any calcified water minerals as necessary. The float should be moving freely. Once all cleaning steps are completed, place the tank on the humidifier and refill the tank. Next, turn on the humidifier. To reset the warning sign, press and hold the Clean Transducer Reset button until the clean warning light turns off. Hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.